Oh, well today, we're gonna talk all about football. So, Jeffrey, what's your favorite sport now?
My favorite sport is baseball.
Well, who's your favorite player at the moment?
Bernie Williams.
Yeah, they're doing pretty good.
Except he's retired now.
Yeah, well, I think we should go buy a curtain that has his name all over it. We can put it in the basement.
That would match my bed. It says Bernie Williams, the best.
Yeah, I really think we could go to the cathedral and like tell them people all about Bernie.
Yeah, they'd love it.
Oh.
And did you see that pass in football the other day?
Yeah, that was great. I don't know how he did it, but I'm gonna have to go over there like die.
We won the whole game.
I know, like it's always gonna. Oh my goodness, did you even notice that the lights were out?
No.
Oh wow. Finally. I know. I wish they had come on earlier.
I know.
Wow, this whole interview is ruined.
I know.
This is horrible.
It's because I'm part blind.